Do you like the idea of living in a newer construction home and you want to enjoy all the upgrades, but you don't like the idea and the headache of selecting your home, waiting for it to be built, and paying for each and every upgrade that you get? We're proud to bring this home up for sale, which is ready for you to buy, see, and move in right now. Many upgrades that you can't get or are definitely not included when you buy new construction. Come check out all the details on this home right here, now on market, available and for sale.